Stamp in the description where you can check out all the vendors we got the interview. Big thanks to IceCo for hosting us this weekend, and make sure to go to our website incaoverlandoutfitters.com where you'll find the best gear on trusted brands like IceCo. Hey guys, so this is more 2024. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're here with Inciarte 4x4 and Benji the Bronco. We're gonna walk around and check out a whole bunch of cool rigs.
Hey guys, I need to tell you something here. We have Dave here for Adventure Source. He's gonna give you a little bit of what he do with this new, I will say it's not a new company, but I will say those small stuff that you can get at everything on this booth. He's gonna introduce himself a little bit here on the video.
Hey guys, I'm Dave. This is the Adventure Source. Our whole thing is pack small but live large. What that means for us is we're really focused on the moto camping, bike camping, teardrop, truck camper, whatever it is you need to do to pack small but have that great adventure. So whether you're on foot, on 2 wheels, 4 wheels, whatever it is, that's what we're trying to help you with. So we have tents, sling bags, bags, cooking stuff, whatever you need to be able to go on that adventure and just have a good time.
And the good thing here that I was showing that because we have a big truck, we are overlanders and all that, but you actually sometimes when you do hiking and all that, you always need a backpack or any handy stuff that you use when you're doing hiking or fishing or whatever. I will say this one is the best option that you can come here to Adventure Source in the More Expo and take a look at all the products that he have here. He actually doing a round trip in all the expos. I mean, you can find him in Overland Expo West and all the events. You can go and look for him and ask him about all the products that he carry on his shop.
Yeah, we've specifically curated a special collection, so you can find that on our website at theadvsource.com.
So this is the inside. There's 2 or 3 sections.
3 sections inside. This is the West Hall that we have right now here. Now
So-
we're going to the East Hall.
Yeah, we had the IceCo booth over on that side, but I think there's more vehicles on that side.
On that side, they have more bigger booth with vehicles showing cases their products, and this one is like a more booth, like you can go and talk with them, and they're gonna show you products. And that one over there, you have like actually the rigs that show in case the products.
Awesome. Yeah, this event is a Friday and Saturday event, and it's been really busy. So I didn't even know that that more of the vehicles were on that side and booths were on this side. So
Yes, correct. And outside the parking area, they have more trailers and all the biggest rigs. But it's been busy today. Saturday is day 2 of More Expo 2024, and we have a big crowd today. Most of the attendees they might work yesterday because it was Friday, but today is Saturday, and we have a big crowd today. It's really busy today.
all right, so now we're entering the other section, and this is again is where the builds are. One of the things that I'm excited about is the Extrusion Overland camper that's top secret. It pretty much got launched today.
Yes, it's here in the More Expo. We have that camper over there. We are going to show you in a minute. Okay, we are here finally in the Extrusion Overland booth. We are going to show you right now for the first time on the channel the XO skeleton here, and he's going to give you some information on all the new features that this new canopy have for with the Extrusion Overland.
So this is the new 3-in-1 system we've got. This is configured in the camper style. So we've got closing panels here. All 3 sides lock in. So you got sides and rear. You can run it just as a rack if you want. So these panels come off, run it just as a rack. And we've got a tent as well. So
that means you can get the rack without the panel, like a bare rack, but with this design.
Exactly, yep.
Okay.
Yep, so you can run just the rack. We've got some additional molly plates you can run. So you can run vertical mollies, just like this on the sides, or add on the camper sides if you want for more, security.
And we can custom the rack like as the always, extrusion overland racks. You can decide the height of the rack, and you can do like an endless customization. We can do that with this one too, right?
Exactly.
If you want to cap height and all that.
So you've got cap height, you've got mid height, that runs about 15 inches. Depending on mid size and full size, but approximately 15 or 16 inches. So you can have that flush tent on top if you want, or you can run our tent with a fully integrated system. So we'll have waterproof sides, straight pass through for the tent from inside the camper, just like GFC and Super Pacific and whatnot.
Okay. Sounds good. And here we have the XTR3 with some slide out that you can just slide all the accessories that you're gonna have on your rig. They have the same endless customization as the XTR1, but also when we are talking about that we have this bar on the middle, this one here can be at any point of the bed rack that you can decide which one you want it. Beside the height of the rack, you can see if you wanted the access gate. This one is a easy access to the bed of your truck. You can have like a completely easy access on the whole side of the truck, or actually like I have on my truck, you can have just the front side, on the rear. You can just order when you're on the website, extrusionoverland.com. You can just go there, and they have like a step-by-step when you do your rack, and when you build your rack, you can decide, I want an access gate, I want a slide out, and also you can get all the configuration like a Extrusion Overland backtrack they allow you to do. Another good product that you can find is the Rapid Topper that now we have here on the Extrusion Overland booth. It's this one here. See, this design, you will start thinking, and what is this? Okay, this one, they're gonna allow you to remove the Extrusion Overland rack and also the new XO skeleton, the one we just showed. This one here, you can remove the whole bed rack from your truck. If you are by yourself in your house and you're gonna leave the bed rack on your garage, you can just drill here. You use this screw here to raise the bars here, and you can lift the bed rack, remove your truck, and then you can drop it. You can just storage in your garage. That way, when you saw all those videos that different trucks, they have the tents or the canopies, they just lifted on the roof on the garage. With this one here, they're gonna allow you to remove your bed rack. That way you can have your all set up, storage in your garage, and when you're ready to go and hit the trails, you can just put everything back in a less than 30 minutes.
Hey guys, this is Sarah with Benji the Bronco, and we are over in the East Wing at More Expo, and we are going to check out one of these four-wheel campers we have. We've got plenty of storage in here. Looks like you can fit a little mattress inside. You even have the little toilet as well. This is such a sweet setup.
Hey, this is Aislinn with Goose Gear. We're here at More Expo in 2024. This is our new system for the brand new 2024 Ineos Grenadier. We've got in here a low seat delete, and we also have a Brian's Favorite package, which comes with the 10-inch door module and the camp kitchen with the stove slide and the fridge slide. So this is our Brian's Favorite package. We have the 10-inch door module here, comes all the way out. And then we also have the fridge slide with the stove underneath. So you've got all of your cooking in one area, all of your storage in one area. And you've got storage above. You can do a bunch of different configurations. This is just our favorite.
Hey everyone, this is Ben from Semper Gumby. I'm here at the More Expo. I'm here with Otto from Tuapro. We are here at the Tuapro booth out here. Tuapro, they make some really great racks. They're based out of Florida, and I'm going to let or Otto talk about what some of their racks.
Yeah, how are you guys? How you doing? So over here on Ben's truck, we have the mid-high bed rack system, which 12.5 bed rack. You're gonna walk around with Ben. He's gonna talk about the truck, and then on Don's truck, driving Everest over here, he's got a Gladiator with a sheetrock height adjustable bed rack set at the lowest setting, which is 17. That bed rack that you see right there, you can play around with the height. It's height adjustable. It's got 3 height settings, and you can do a lot of stuff with it.
Well, the reason why I built up the truck like this, I went with the half rack because with everything closed up, I can get it in the garage. So it doesn't pass the shark fin antenna, and you can't grab items inside of the truck. Now, like when I leave my Blue Eddy, I'm a Blue Eddy ambassador. So you can't reach in and grab my gear and all of that stuff. So we built this truck 4 weeks out of Moore. So I had guys from Georgia, like Brandon New, you know Brandon out there. He came out, he drove out. I had guys from Kentucky, the Off the Beaten Path guys came out, and we completely redid the truck to come to Moore. And I came here on Storytellers Row. Otto and his dad's like, they came out there like, we need to get you to the Tua Pro booth. So I'm here, and I'm enjoying it. And that's why we do this stuff.
All right, guys, so now we're at the outside section. There's a whole bunch of cool vendors here. You can see the Sherpa racks here, and they have a whole bunch of cool different vendors. The entrance is over that way, and we're gonna walk and talk to a couple people here. So in this part of the expo, they have a lot of the larger setups, the trailers. We're gonna go talk to Tiny Campers, and they're gonna show us some really cool new items that they got. So let's go check them out. Hey guys, so behind me, Joe is talking to customers. These are two models of campers that they currently have. But what Joe is going to cover with us, he's got a new camper that he's going to specially design for us. It's got a whole bunch of tough, rugged features, and he's going to go over and explain it to us. And yeah, there's no wood on this camper, so I'm really excited to be partnering up with Joe and Tiny Camper on coming up with our own campers. So let's go check them out. Awesome. So Joe's going to go over the new features that he's going to specially make for the Inca 4x4 camper.
So what we have designed, it's going to be really awesome. It's basically going to be a crossbreed between our Kong and our Venture Quad Off-Road. It's going to have a front slope with a back 45-degree angle. In the back galley, we're not going to have a full galley that pulls out, but you'll have a slam hatch galley, which is a half galley that comes up. 2 doors on the side with windows, 2 happening air vents, 2 roof racks on top, so you can put any type of gear that you guys want, tent awnings, rooftop tents, whatever you guys need. And then the inside will have cabinetry, so we can design cabinetry for your power banks, your electrical systems, whatever you guys need to basically get off the grid.
Awesome. If we just kind of go over the tube materials, like what's going to come standard.
Yeah. So what's going to come standard is you get a 11 gauge steel frame all the way around. You're going to get a 3-inch tube from the very front to the very back. So you're going to have recovery in front and in back. He's going to be working on, some dealers that he can help you out with articulating hitches like Lock and Roll, Max Coupler, or Arc, whatever you decide you guys want to use. He'll be sure to have everything for you. The frames will be powder coated. You'll have LED lights, an independent suspension, whether it's going to be the standard of the rugged hitch axle suspension, or you can upgrade to a timber and off-roading suspension. Either one, it depends on how much off-roading you're truly doing. We'll have everything provided for you. Jeep-style fenders. You're going to come with 31-inch MT tires, front jacks, safety cables, whatever you need.
Awesome. And then let's go over to the back and just take a look at the galley, just to kind of show you how these trailers are just kind of game-changing, because you open the door and you just get ready to camp. And then in the back, you could see here, you could just imagine your stove, all the things you would need to cook. It would be really easy to just get to camp and set up.
Yeah, and once again, it's not going to be a full galley like this. Imagine half of it that will raise up completely. And it's going to be awesome because you need that departure angle, so you're going to lose a lot of space towards the bottom, but you'll gain a lot of space towards the top. And the best thing about it is majority of you guys that overland have majority of your gear anyways, so you can put whatever you want into it. If you need more gear, and I'm pretty sure they can help you out and customize it any way you want.
Perfect. So, Joe, thanks again for going over this. Feel free to reach out to Joe at Tiny Campers for the current models that they have. And if you're seeing this video, it's because I'm sharing it with you. It's a special edition camper that we'll be offering soon on our website, and we'll be able to help accessorize it with whatever rooftop tents, awnings, shower needs, anything really you need for it. So
May 24th, that's going to possibly be our launch date. So we'll bring it up to Georgia so you guys can see it. And if you have any questions, Check us out at www.tinycampercompany.com. Camp on.
Hi, my name is Ferdinand with Inspire Overland. Today we have Inca 4x4 coming to our booth at More Expo. So basically, this is our newest carbon fiber rooftop tent. They weigh 80 pounds. As you can tell, I can lift this with just 2 fingers, and it goes up. It's basically a hardtop carbon fiber. We also have carbon fiber slats on the bottom. You can attach mounting on the top. We also come standard with 2 diesel hose port, and also it comes with the hybrid foam air mattress that is self-inflate and up to 3 inch. We also have moonroof and a rainfly up top. We also have we're now using latches instead of zippers like before. This product also you can mount the ladder on all 3 sides. With our products, we also provide a bigger brackets for mounting your ladder. So what that means is you get to pick whatever sides that you want to enter in and out, and you basically take these out, and install that bigger brackets. So now your ladder basically, instead of going directly close to your car, you have a little bit of gap. Just little things we're thinking about. With this new one, also on the interior pockets, we put straps and that are detachable. And also we have a clear interior pocket in the middle where you can put your iPad. Again, this is currently you'll be able to purchase this around end of June, beginning of July for $26.49 shipped to your house. Or if you pick it up in one of our warehouse locations, it will be for $23.99. Once again, my name is Ferdinand Inspire Overland, and appreciate Inca 4x4 for stopping by.
Perfect.
Hey, what's going on, guys? DK here with Toyo Tires. So debuting our RT Trail here. It's a nice rugged terrain, a big step above, or maybe a smaller step above the All-Terrain AT3 that we currently have. It's got a more aggressive tread design and bigger shoulder blocks for more aggressive driving if you're looking at a step up from the AT3.